Alright, welcome to my screen. So we're gonna be reviewing the trades I called out and also um, some setups that are also ready for a swing. Yeah, so let's just hop into it. So first of all, we're gonna talk about CAD CHF here. So for CAD CHF, I was bearish on this pair. Yeah, I was bearish on this pair and it still hasn't hit the first target. Yeah, so it's still within that zone, still within that zone. Okay, I'm expecting it to reverse from here. Okay, we're seeing some change in market structure to the downside. Okay, so I'm expecting it to um, drop. Okay, still I'm bearish on it. Yeah. We're gonna move to Euro CHF. I also called out this one. And as you can see, it's still within the zone. Okay, it hasn't gone further from there. It's still within there. There's selling pressure, but we're seeing some kind of change in market structure. Okay, there's a change in market structure. Um, as you can clearly see from you know from here. You could see that the market is coming down, didn't break this high, and now coming lower. So there's a high chance we could see market touch this zone. Sorry, we could see a chance that market touches the zone lower here, right? There's a high chance we touch it. Okay, so this is all these ones are still the last analysis I posted. So if you haven't watched that one, you can go and watch it. So I also called out USD card. Yeah, that one did very well. A hit target. Yeah, first target hit. So I'm expecting more, you know, sells on USD card. Though I didn't take this trade, okay, but I'm still expecting more sells on USD card. So I'm expecting more sells to this. I'm expecting more sells to this level. All right. I'm expecting more sales to this level. But if we see any pullback, okay, any pullback, if I see any pullback, I would catch it to the downside. Okay, but I'm still expecting more sales. Though there's an aggressive entry I also use to catch trades like this if the market does not pull back. So yeah, but I'm not on this pair, so I'm still expecting more sales to the downside. Likewise, USD CHF. Um, I'm also bearish on it. Some of these pairs I didn't call them, like USDCHF, I didn't call it, but I was bearish. Okay, I had my analysis, everything was there. I just couldn't go through all the pairs, right? I couldn't go through everything. Or I was also bearish on USDCHF, and you could see the marker there. I was bearish on that level. So we've retraced um, all the way to this second level, as you can clearly see there. So I'm expecting more drops from there towards this point. Okay, I'm expecting more drop towards this point. That's it. On USDJPY, yeah, this one also went well. It did absolutely well, um, as you can see. So we had, price tap that zone. Do I say it was a low probability zone, right? Yes. But then it did not violate the criteria I set, okay, for a bullish move. Okay, I was only anticipating that, okay, if this zone is being touched, there's a likeliness that it will break out, but it didn't break out, if you see, okay, it respected the zone, pulled back in, right? So since it pulled back, I understood that, okay, yes, this is definitely sure. Okay, as you can see, it went all the way to the downside. All right, it went all the way to the downside. So yeah, still expecting more sells on USD JPY to the downside to this 140 level. Okay, yes. GBP NZD likewise. I also called out the trade. I think the trend has already started. The sales rather. Okay, the sales have started, and yeah, should get to these levels at least. We should touch this level first, then we know how far if we're gonna go further to the downside. Okay, but for now, first things first, let's touch this level, then we're gonna uh, confirm if the market would go lower to other levels. So that's that on that. um uh let's go to the buy side. I'm also on Euro USD. I'm bullish on this one. I took this trade. Okay, I took it. I think it was around this point. I took it around here. So I hit TP. All right, I hit TP on this trade. So I'm still. I added. Uh, sorry, I closed the first position and I opened the second one when I saw another confirmation. Okay, after I got another confirmation, I opened another one to ride the trend all the way to this point. So yeah, so I closed the first trade. Okay, now I'm in the second one, hoping that we hit this zone. So that's just my analysis on that one. Yeah, so we'll see how far. If we get maybe a retracement, I might add to it. Okay, till we get there. So that's the main target. This point, that's the main target. Okay, that's the main target. Um, on GBP USD. Um, sorry, my chat is taking time to load. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? I think it's network. Sorry for that. I'm trying to get back on the chat, so sorry for the delay. Yeah. All right. So on GU did absolutely great. Yeah, followed an analysis, and yeah, GU did absolutely wonderful. Just tap that zone and then blew to the upside. Okay, so some of these ones I did not call them. Okay, GU I didn't call it. EU I didn't call it. Like I said, I couldn't go through all the pairs. Okay, but I'm gonna be selecting major pairs. Okay, that I know that a lot of you trade. I'm gonna be selecting major ones and then I'll be analyzing those ones. Okay, though I look at other pairs like all around. Okay, wherever I see opportunity because I'm a swing trader, so I don't sit around on one pair. Okay, that doesn't mean I trade everything, but I'm very very broad. Okay, I also look at other pairs for opportunities. So this one, um, yeah, we're almost close to the first TP. Yeah, very close to that level. Sorry, second TP because this was like first TP. Okay, if you took another trade here, then you hit second TP. It pained me. I missed this trade during the week. Okay, I missed it. So yeah, it was really painful. I missed all that move to the upside. Yeah, so really, really painful. AUD, this pair has been ranging like it's been ranging for ages. This pair has been ranging on that level. Like it's so stubborn. Doesn't want to even move up or move down or whatever. It's just been playing around. So um yeah, this pair has just been playing around. So yeah, still hoping, you know, we're gonna hit the target because this area is messed up. So what I want is basically a new level. Okay, I want a new zone. So this zone is messed up. I took a trade on this one. I think I got stopped out at break even. So yeah, it was so painful. I still knew it's still to the upside, right? But I had to just looking at the price action. Yeah, I was not even like I wasn't even satisfied at all. I wasn't okay, so I had to close out on this one because there were other better opportunities out there. So I could not sit around and just watch. I just watched the market range this bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to come to this new level. Okay, then we'll know what to do. Um, NZD for NZD, I'm still quite bullish on this one. So yeah, we're gonna see how far this one goes. It's just been playing around, no entry, okay, because all that market is just doing here is just traps. Okay, all these are traps. There was no entry on this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see how it plays out. Um, let me look at the lower time frame to see. Okay, yeah, nothing much, nothing much, just traps. All traps, not much, nothing much. So yeah, we'll just wait for a good confirmation during the week. So that's that on that. Um, what other pair? Okay, I think I have CAD GPY. This one I'm bullish on this one. Yeah, let me look at it. Yeah, we should be getting entry this week. Okay, I'll be watching this pair also. I should be getting entry this week. Yes, yes. I should be getting entry this week. To the upside. So yeah, I should be getting an entry to this upside. So yeah, once we break, I'm gonna get in and then to the upside. Yeah. So NZDJPY. Let me look at the higher time frame. Yeah, also bullish on this one. Also bullish on this one. Um, yeah, bullish on this pair. Bullish on this pair, but looking at what is going on, we might see a shift lower, or probably we are gonna shift in first and then come down, then to the upside. Because I'm seeing a trap, okay, and they are what I call traps. So there's a trap that has been set here. So I'm expecting the market could go up, come down, okay, tap into that trap whatsoever, and then move up, okay, or maybe market will go lower for this zone to buy, but I prefer this is, based off the analysis. Okay, I expect that this zone should hold more probability to the upside. Okay, but however, even if we touch here, everything is still based off my confirmation. Okay, if I see a confirmation, then fine. So um GJ, for GJ we almost got a confirmation, but we are still holding. We're still holding, but we are still bullish on it. Yes, we're still bullish on it. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see how far it goes with GJ. Probably we could reverse at, let me put my marker because I'm no more bearish. Okay, I'm now bullish on it. So we could see a push at this zone. Okay, you could see a push at that zone. That's a high probability zone. Okay, however, even if market comes into this zone, I will not buy here. Okay, I'll wait for it to come back here, then take it back up. Okay, I'm not interested in all these levels. I'm more interested on this particular one. Okay, except a pullback forms. Okay, there's a particular pullback I'm waiting for. If that pullback forms, then I'm gonna buy here. If the pullback doesn't form, this for now. Okay, until that pullback forms. Okay, a certain type of pullback I always wait for. So if it doesn't form, I'm not gonna buy here. I'm just gonna wait for market to come back. Okay, that's if it's going to come back. Okay, but for now, this level is um my uh my final zone for the buy, and we should be getting the confirmation pretty soon. Okay, during the week, we should be getting the confirmation from this level upwards. So yeah, that's just that. So let me just give you an analysis on DXY general. So what I'm expecting on DXY is basically more downside. Okay, more downside. I haven't seen any confirmation to the upside for DXY. Okay, I'm expecting more downside. Um, yeah, especially with the tariffs back. Okay, I'm still expecting more downside. Okay, especially with the tariffs back, I'm expecting more downside. But I expect that the market should touch. The market should touch. I'm coming. Okay, I think I made a mistake somewhere. I made a mistake with my levels. Um, yep. Okay. So, all right. Yeah. So I expect that if we touch here, okay, maybe a pullback, then to lower levels. So that's that on that. So anyhow, I'm gonna see how next week is gonna be. All right. Sorry I didn't drop analysis last week. I was very busy, but I'm gonna be more active now. Okay, more active now. So yeah, thank you.